This is the elevator at the CCB building. This is the main passenger elevator. I literally just did a take before this. I'm telling you, going for this is not easy, even during class time. First, we'll do a full ride, and then I'll show you all the interesting quirks this elevator has. As long as I don't get a bunch of people.
Cellar. Going up.
Listen to this motor, it's really nice.
Third floor.
Ride quality is really bouncy. And as you can see, it chimed before I pressed the button. That means it's a call. We'll see where it goes. Hopefully down. Yeah, good, okay. At least we're stopping now.
Second floor. Going down.
Where you guys going?
Cellar. Going up.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You guys have a good one. I hope I just did a door close. Anyways, now I'll show you the quirks as best as I can, as quickly as I possibly can. This is CR, the loading dock. Yes, the passenger elevator serves the loading dock. The service elevator is back there. And yes, the lantern does that too. Now, one I already showed you. We'll take it to 1R. Hopefully there's not like anybody waiting here so that we could like highlight this floor a little bit.
First floor. Rear.
I'll show you out here real quick. So if we walk around here, there's a Starbucks back there. There's also 4903 bells in case you were curious. And as you can see, it goes up like 10 steps. It's not that far at all. Those stairs go to 2. And as you can tell, it's going all the way up. That's why I hit down. GAL, whatever the heck they are, the V resistant buttons. If you look at the map, yeah, see this, that's the service elevator right there. The problem is the way this building was built, the main elevator is the one that serves the half floors, but the service elevator doesn't. That's why this thing's busy. The other elevator is like never used at all. Now hopefully, oh, they pressed 1. I hit the front close. See, look how this goes down like 8 steps. Not a far trip at all. There's a funnier one on too, so I'll highlight that too.
Going down.
But yeah, this is one. Just a normal floor. Nothing out of the ordinary. I think there are ballrooms here if I remember correctly. Now let's go to 2. Although I think we're going down. Yeah, we are. Hopefully that's where they're going because I want to showcase the half floor between 2. Where are you going?
Oh, 3.
You're welcome.
Second floor going up.
Good.
Third
Now
floor.
I can show you what. There you go. Yeah, by the way, this is 3. This is just classrooms up here. I'm not gonna show her, but now I'll show you the half floors of 2R and 2. This thing has a very bouncy ride quality. I think there's another ballroom up here. Yeah, see, up here's more ballrooms. The lantern actually works on this floor. No, hold on. That's the amount of distance we're about to go. 4 steps. That's it. Watch this. See, we're already here. It's weird that this elevator has 2 different chimes for the 2 different lanterns that this has. And on 2, I'll actually end here. So watch it close. And real quick back there, that's the service elevator right there. And the cool thing about this, pan the camera down so I don't show anybody. Is this too? You get a nice view from out here, but also you can cut through CCB into G through this bridge that they built over here. You can see out of it. It's a pretty big building. And there's the tower over there. And you can kind of see the clusters. And right down here is the Y bank for this building. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this little tour, and that'll be it.